Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Shri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
As a boat on the water is swept away by a strong wind, even so one of the senses in which the mind becomes fixed can carry away a man's intelligence.
Yes. If you suppose on the Pacific Ocean you are on a boat or on a nice ship, but if you have no controlling capacity, one wave of that Pacific Ocean can immediately bring you to the bottom of the sea. So this is required. We are in the midst of the Pacific Ocean of this Mayik world. Samsara Samudra. It is called Samudra. So at any moment our boat can be topsy-turvy if we have no controlling power. Yes.
Therefore, O mighty arms, one whose senses are restrained from their objects is certainly a steady intelligence.
Yes, now, the one whose senses are restrained. This human life is meant for restraining the senses. Tapa, this is called tapasya, penance. Suppose I am habituated to some type of sense gratification. Now I take to Krishna consciousness. My spiritual master or the scripture says, don't do this. So in the beginning I may feel some inconvenience. But if you can tolerate that, that is tapasya. That is tapasya. Tapasya means I am feeling some inconvenience bodily, but I am tolerating. And that is called tapasya. And this human form of life is meant for that tapasya. Not that because my senses are demanding this satisfaction, I shall immediately offer. No. I shall train myself in such a way that my senses may demand, my dear sir, give me this facility. I will say, no, you cannot have. This is called Goswami or Swami. At the present moment, where everyone, we have made our Swami or master, the senses, and when we actually become the master of the senses, then you are Swami or Goswami. That is the significance of Swami and Goswami. It is not the dress. One who has controlling power, one who is not dictated by the senses, one who is not servant of the senses. My tongue is dictating, please take me to that restaurant and eat sticks. What is that stick? Sticks? Steak? What is that spelling? So anyway, or that fried chicken. Yes. So tongue is dictating. But if you can control your tongue, no, I'll give you sweet balls, don't go there. Then you become master of the sense. The others are trying that don't go there only. Oh, that is impossible. The tongue must have something beautiful. Otherwise it is not possible. That is artificial. If the tongue, you give it something more beautiful than this fried chick or stick or this or that, it will stop. That is the policy. Our policy is that. We can give that, what is called, cuisine fried with rice, how nice it is. We forget meat eating. So this is the policy, Krishna consciousness. All the senses should be supplied something, not artificially stop it. That is not possible. That is not possible. Others, they are simply trying artificially to stop the function of the senses. No, that is not possible.
Hare Krishna,